Bonjour, Chef Christophe. Very happy to be back with you today. Special ingredients for this recipe. What are we going to cook today? Of course, French meringue. Ooh la la! First of all, remember, washing your hands. So we've got white sugar, lemon from my garden, table salt, beautiful chicken eggs. You need 6 egg white for 20-25 meringue. Let's go. So separate the white from the yolk using a good quality egg. Good opportunity to check if this egg is fresh or not by looking the end of the shell. So you've got a little sac. If this sac is a little bit too large, that means the egg will be more than 3 weeks old. Please don't choose it. This one, it's fresh. Alors crack the egg and separate the white from the yolk like this. See? This is it. So I take the other shell to transfer the yolk in the other one, just to leave the white to go down the bowl. Voila! Alors now we're going to zest the lemon using a zester. Very nice perfume. Now squeeze the lemon. I'd like to use all of it. Très bon. Alors leave the zest and the jus on the side. And now we're going to make our meringue using 250 grams of sugar and 1 pinch of table salt. Let's start to beat the meringue using a whisk. That's a very, very good exercise. Woo. Let's keep going with the mixer. Much more easy. 10 minutes later, we will add this fantastic zest and a lemon juice. Voila. The zest will give a beautiful aroma and the lemon juice will pre-cook the protein of the meringue, which is the albumin. That's why you're going to get a beautiful stable French meringue. Let's do it. Et voila, look at the result. It's beautiful, set and shiny. So now this is the fun part. Let's pipe the meringue together using a piping bag and a baking tray. Let me show you how to hold in the piping bag properly. Using your left hand as a support. Like this. So now, we just transfer the meringue from the stainless steel bowl to this piping bag. Like this. It's nice and shiny. Not too much to start. And now, just make sure the meringue is inside of the bag and fold the bag like an accordion, we say in French. Like this. Squeeze the bag between your 2 fingers and twist it 2 times. 1 and 2. Et voila. Let's do some piping. Ready to be cooked in a warm oven at 80 degrees for a good 3 hours. Ta-da! Oh. Regardez-moi ça. Look at this. Another fun part. Let's play the meringue using your creativity, and today I will use again these beautiful flowers from our garden. as Josephine said, we eat with our eyes, so make it look nice. Let's try. Ta-da! Sweetness. Just love it. Remember this message. Please cook at home. You don't have to buy that anywhere else. Do your own meringue. It's so easy, so fun, and I see you very, very soon for another cooking together. Au revoir les amis. Merci. grams of sugar and a pinch. Let's do it. Mamma mia!